All right, Joshua's here working Bleu. His night job's actually a doctor. He just does that to support his internship. Right, Joshua?
Down.
Your real dream is to be a trainer, right?
That's right. Down.
That was his boyhood dream. This is just his way of fulfilling it. All right, good. Loosen the leash, though. Give him a little indication that you're going to turn with a little bit of looseness. Perfect. Perfect. All right, now lower it down. Say down, and 1, 2, 3. Lower the leash. Lower it. Perfect. I'm going to tell you what he did, though. He put your foot on your foot. All right, now a little indication that you're going to turn with a little looseness. Good. All right, and then draw it back up. Then you draw it back up. All right, now for the down. Start lowering it. Say down and then stop.
Down.
All right, let's try it without the leash. Always say down right when you unhook it, though. Be ready. See how they always get up right when you unhook it. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect gloss over. All right. Keep your hands bent, though. Keep your... There. Good. There you go. Good.
Down.
I'm cutting your head off.
Bleu.
All right. Do your turn. Good. 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 All right, go down a little farther. Go down a little, yeah, just go down a little farther and go quickly, though. Keep his interest. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and kind of feign like you're lowering the leash.
Down. Down.
I would tap my foot just now.
Down.
Good, 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 good. All right, the only thing I want you to do, though, is instead of trying to have the treat right away, you need to have good right away and teach him to kind of hold that position. So you're saying, like right now, good, good, good. If he holds it X amount of time, then he is going to get the treat rather than expecting it right away. All right, just go up and back one more time. I'm going to lift him up with the pager. Good. Do your turn. Good. Go down a little farther. All right, so same thing. He's watching your hands, so make the little fake movement like you're doing the leash. Say down. Hi, Joshua, you're doing awesome.